So if you're looking to take your workouts to the next level, I'm gonna share with you my 3 favorite ways to make machine exercises tougher, all right? So these are very simple hacks you can incorporate to any machine exercise. So the first one, start with the 20-second pause. So right here I'm doing a leg extension. I'm gonna simply hold the weight right here for 20 seconds. Now after 20 seconds, I'm gonna perform the 12 reps I was originally supposed to do. So the next time you have a set, pause for 20 seconds, then go into your regular set. All right, number 2, adding a half rep. Still gonna do the same 12 reps, but I'm just adding a half rep at the top. So same thing, 12 reps, squeeze it all the way up, another half rep, 12 reps. And my third and final recommendation, slowing down the tempo. This last set, I'm gonna go 3 seconds up, 3 seconds down. And this is gonna triple the original time under tension. And this is just another way we can change the intensity of our workouts to produce more results. So I hope you found these tips helpful. I hope you use them the next time you go to the gym. Again, I'm Jay with 5 Star Fitness. I'll see you around soon.